This tutorial is for URST 427, Data Visualization for Urban Studies, and goes with Module 7 on using Tableau, the free public version. It assumes you've already downloaded and registered for the free public version of Tableau and have the Excel data on college enrollments downloaded and ready for use. If you haven't done these two things, pause this video and go back and do them. If you have these two things ready, start the Tableau public software and you'll see the screen that's currently showing here. The first thing we want to do is bring the Excel file into Tableau. And as you can see over here on the left-hand side, Connect, you have a Excel file to click. And when I click that, I see immediately my college enrollment data. If you don't see yours immediately, search for it wherever it might be, whatever folder it might be in, and click on it, and click Open. It might take a moment. Okay, and here's our college enrollment data for each state and each state's spring 2017 enrollment, spring 2015 enrollment, and the percentage change between those 2 years. It's a fairly simple data set, and we will create a data visualization from this data. Okay, you'll notice that this is on sheet 1 down here in the lower left. To create the visualization, we'll want to go and create a new worksheet. So click on the new worksheet tab. Tableau prepares the data for the worksheet, and you'll see that we have just one state dimension and a few measures to work with. We'll be using the Show Me feature of Tableau to create data visualizations. This feature provides information on the kinds of visualizations you can create based on the data. So now that we have the Excel data loaded here and ready to go, let's click on one of the measures. We're concerned here primarily with the percentage change, which is the first measure. So click on that and then click Show Me. And you'll notice that a few visualizations are highlighted. Okay, you have a text table, horizontal bar chart, and histogram. The rest aren't highlighted, so they are not viable visualizations. Okay, if we click on the text table, you'll notice that we get just one quantitative measure, which is basically a total percentage change in enrollments for all the states, and that in and of itself isn't very interesting. So what we can do is click Control-Z to delete and go back from that visualization and start new. What we want to do is have probably more dimensions to our measures to create something more interesting. And you can pick multiple dimensions and measures by using the Control key. Okay, so if we do that, we'll click on Control, click percentage change, and with the Control key depressed, click State. You'll notice that more visualizations become highlighted that we can use, and we want to use the what's called Treemaps table. And if we click on that, okay, you'll notice that it creates a nice tree map of the state data based on the percentage change. The tree map shows us in color and size which states had the most positive percentage change in enrollments. And you see here New Hampshire at 29, almost 30% more enrollment, followed by Utah at 15.16, and Arizona, Idaho, and so forth, down to Oklahoma. Okay, and it also indicates that 42 states had a negative percentage change. So we're only given the positive percentage change in this visualization of college enrollments for each state in the United States. So what you want to do now is take a screenshot and paste it into a Word file or PDF, and along with the written part of this assignment, okay, send that in for the assignment for this module.